Okay.
Yay, we're
Ready?
going to a river. The river, I like river.
Ganda ng panahon, Inday. Yun. Pupunta kami ni Inday ngayon mga par sa Bluffers Park.
Beach
Yeah, beach.
slash river.
Slash lake.
Slash river lake.
River lake.
I'm chewing gum. Hey, oh, we almost got hit by a leaf.
Okay. Kailan ka pumunta doon, Inday? Last time when with Lolo, right?
And Lola, Tita Ma,
Tito Matt.
Tita Jane, Tita Lucy.
So, yan.
I remember the sand was blowing in my face and my eyes. There
Aha.
was dust in my eyes.
This
Wow.
is fun, Inday. Look at this.
Wow, this is so cool.
Nandito na kami mga par, papasok. So, dito tayo dadaan. Daanan ng tao. Ba?
Tay, be careful, don't go there.
Yeah.
Tay, please go to the wall. We're so close to the edge. I'm scared.
Scared? It's okay.
I'm scared we're gonna fall here.
Fall.
Sorry. Ew, I smell trash. Is it you? Oh, it's a deer. There's deer here. Okay,
Yeah,
we have to
told
be
you.
careful.
This
Don't
is-
crash the deer over.
This is fun, Inday. Aray. Poison ivy.
Could you...
What?
If there's a poison ivy sign, then there's poison ivy.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
duck.
Oh,
Duck. Gerson duck.
you're a duck. Quack, quack.
Mababato mga par, oh. Pinuntahan natin nakaraan.
Wow.
With Inday now, with Inday.
My name's Inday now. Okay, Inday, Elijah. Inday, Elijah.
Oh, look at the...
Wow. Whoa.
Woohoo!
I feel like I'm in Boracay now.
Woohoo!
Dad, I feel like I'm in Boracay.
Boracay?
Yeah, because of the trees.
Oh.
See?
Hindi ka pa naman nakapunta ng Boracay, ah.
No, I've seen the videos of people going to Boracay.
Ah, yeah?
And it's beautiful.
Oh,
Uy,
oh,
uy,
oh.
uy, uy. Aray ka, my eyebrow.
Eyebrow? Ano yun? Yung extension eyebrow mo?
Tay,
What?
who would extend their eyebrow longer?
Upper Park.
Feel like there was rocks in my throat.
So we have to go at the Bluffers Park Beach.
Wow, Tay, look at the lake.
Oh.
We're gonna dip our ugly and smelly feet. Outside dogs. Hot
Outside what?
dogs. Outside dogs. I don't know. Because a tree is blocking the sign. Huh? Curside dogs. Oh,
Kayak. Oh, hindi yung kayak na yun.
kayak. Ooh, I wanna
Oh,
go
look
in
at
a
that,
kayak.
Inday, oh. You know, forest. Wow.
Wow, I wanna
What?
go hiking now.
Oh.
Last time I said I don't. There, the boats, the boats.
Yeah.
I see the boats.
There's a lot of ano, Inday. You know, the
Like the
yak.
fishing.
The yak.
The what?
Yak.
The yak. Animal? The animal?
Yati.
Yaki. Like go to the side. There's 4 people, but the other 3 people are dogs. Tay, tay, tay.
Thank you.
Oh, the dog.
Oh, look at this, Inday, oh.
Whoa.
Oh.
Whoa.
Pag yumaman tayo, bili tayo
Tay,
niyan, Inday.
look, my cousin. It's the goose.
Yeah.
Wow.
Pag yumaman tayo, bili tayo niyan, Inday.
Ano ba yan?
Pang
We don't
mayaman
have
yan,
any
eh.
Money.
Pag yumaman nga, ano tayo, yumaman na tayo.
Oh yeah. That'll be
Kasi malapit na tayong
nice.
yumaman, pera na lang. Pera na lang kulang. Right? But
Yeah.
mayaman tayo sa pagmamahal. Right?
Mm-hmm.
O yung cousin mo, dami oh.
Oh my, look. It's my cousin's the goose.
Uy, injured pa yung isa Inday oh. Injured yung ano niya.
Ew, I saw it poop.
Ha?
I saw
Normal.
the like
Yeah.
he's pointing the butt at me like
Yeah.
ew.
Baka siguro no, ano sila. Oo. Here comes the annoying girl.
Hi. No. He was trying. He was probably trying to poop in my face.
Ah.
Like,
Oh, yan. There's more Inday oh. Wow.
wow. There's leaves in my mouth.
There's more ano. Gates will be locked at 11 p.m.
What time is it?
10:30.
Oh no. It'll be 11 something something.
1:30 pala.
Oh.
Gabi pa yan maglalak gabi.
What? Ew.
Oh, dito na tayo Inday.
Oh yeah, this is that place.
Remember this place?
Yeah. Oh, that's a curbside dogs. Okay. What, they sell dogs here?
Oh.
Oh my gosh, I have so much cousins.
No, cousins, oh. Cousins everywhere. Hello.
Hi cousins.
Ayun, dito na tayo. Oh.
Whoa.
There's cousins everywhere. What? Ay, ang dami tao, Inday.
Oh my gosh.
Ay, sorry.
It's okay.
It's fine, ano. It's fine na spot. Oh, may volleyball pa sila rito.
Oh, tayo over there next to the
Ay,
I forgot.
next to what?
Next to the
Wow.
um
The cross sign?
yeah.
Okay.
So I was thinking about a volleyball.
Huh?
But we don't even have one, huh?
I know.
Whoa. Let's go. Oh. I'm gonna put half of my legs here.
Huh?
Just like half of here. Near my skirt, but not touching my skirt.
Tignan mo, may volleyball pa rito, Inday. Dapat magdala tayo. Yeah, in a sense
we
that
should
Tita
buy a
Jane.
volleyball. It would be nice. They're camping in a beach.
Huh?
Oh my gosh, I love volleyball. I remember playing it with the Mars.
Saan tayo pwesto, Inday? There?
They're near the cross. The cross, I think it's the medical center. Oh my gosh.
Daming tao. Daming tao. Meow.
Tayo, ano ba yan?
Para sa ano nila? Oh, that's ano, 2 cats. A father cat and a daughter cat.
Ano ba yan?
Problema, Inday. Baba na, Inday. Walk na, just walk. Di tayo nakadala ng ano pala, Inday? Banig.
What's the banig?
Banig the sapin. Put in the sun. Ah, mayroon akong ano rito. Tuwalya. Oh, gumawa siya ng ano, Inday, sand castle. Oh.
Wait, did you bring a towel?
Yeah.
Put it on the ground. Is it big enough?
Huh? Yeah.
Oh my gosh. it in my flocks.
It's okay, we can put the scooter here, Inday.
No. Here. No.
Where do you want to, there?
No.
Yeah. Oh, here, Inday, here.
And then we put the towel here.
Towel?
Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna take off my
Uy.
take off my Crocs.
Oh, take off.
Oh my
Ayan,
gosh.
maganda yan, oh. Sarap, oh. Oh.
Oh. Oh. Sorry. Okay, now I'm gonna go in the water.
Oh. Dito na kami mga par. Ano ko lang yung tuwalya namin. Wait lang eh, ano ko pa yung ano?
Yeah, no, it's not big. It's not big.
It's okay. It's enough. Dalawa lang naman tayo eh.
Oh, yeah. This nanay comes. Now there's a little bit of sand on the now.
It's okay.
Okay, let's go in the water.
Wait lang, hindi pa nga tayo nag-set up pa nga tayo eh.
You have tissue? Can you throw my gum away?
Ha? Eh. Ituro mo sa ano?
Okay.
Wait.
Okay, so let's go now. To the sea.
Wait lang. Yan tayo mga par. Ayun na natin si Inday. Oh!
Look at this.
Yeah, can sit here.
Yeah. Sorry, look.
Oh, mm-hmm. Sa malalim Inday, okay? Sarap sana maligo mga par, oh. Pero kaya to kasi mainit naman pag ano eh. Pag ubahon ka. May naliligo ka.
I'm sitting down in the water.
Ay, mababasa ka. Huwag ka magano. Malamig. Next time na lang magdala tayo ng pandigo. Pwede na magbilad-bilad mga par kasi ano na eh. Mainit na eh. Yung tubig lang yung malamig, pero yung mga bata, tingnan mo yung mga bata hindi naliligo.
I wish I was them. Cause
Next time pag bumalik tayo. Oh, pas na oh.
I see they're at the deep end. See?
Ha?
Over there, see?
Yeah.
Snowball fight. I mean, sand fight. I'm joking.
Whoa! Hindi, meron dong ano eh, kayak doon. Yung boat. Next time na. Kayak tayo. Oh, friend mo oh.
I'm not gonna chase him. He's gonna poop in my face.
Ay, kung may anuhin yan, eh, magagalit yan eh. Come on. What's your ano?
I was washing my hands.
Ano namang nanakaw dyan sa ano natin? Whoa!
It's getting hotter now.
Nakad kami ni Inday mga par.
This is so fun. Oh, Tara, look at the seagull there. Let's cook them into chicken noodles.
Yeah. So relaxing, right?
Yeah. But my feet are frozen. No.
No.
Try with them. Oh, it's much more. It's much more like
Hmm.
hotter. Not tasty.
Hindi, lalakad muna tayo doon, no, dulo. Ha? Let's go. Dali ka na. Oo nga, kayo mabasa yan eh. Lakarin na natin, no, doon sa may mga friend mo, ng sigal. Let's go. Parang gusto ko maligo mga pare. Parang gusto ko maligo, Inday. Go! Woohoo! Ay, oo, anuhin yan. Pulutin yan eh. Ay. Hindi yan, hindi naman ang... Uy, gold din tayo. Is that gold? What? Hindi na malamig mga par. Oo na lang. May sigal oh. Hello. Woohoo! Sige na! Inday! Takot to si Inday sa sigal. Takot naman yan sila sa'yo.
Sorry, different tan colors.
Oh.
I mean, different shades. Wow! That was fun.
Ah, malakas dito yung alon ah, Inday. Ganda rito ah. Dito tayo. Inday. Lakad muna tayo doon.
What if
Hindi, ha?
the scooter's gone?
Hindi yan, walang kukuha niyan. Layo pa pala nito mga par, hanggang dulo pa oh. Hindi natin duduluhin yan mga par. May mga nag-ano rin doon, no? Sige. Masarap pag walking dito sa ano. Day. May ano, bato. Ano yan? Masarap. Eh. Ayan, oh. Ang crocodile. Ano yan? Rock yan. Balik na tayo? Let's go. Rock yan, hindi yan crocodile.
It's a crocodile.
Ah,
The head.
hindi. Puntahan mo.
Huh?
Go there.
No.
Hindi, ganun. Yee! Gumanong ka? Like this, oh. Hindi, ganun. Hindi, one more. Ay, dito.
Hey.
Let's go. Balik na kami map. Oh, may nagbabike, oh. Oh, may nagbabike. Oo. Hindi naman yung crocodile. So, pwede pala rito magdala ng ano. Pwede pala magdala ng ano rito, Inday, ng tent. Sarap, nakaka-relax mga par. Last time ba, nung nakaraang pumunta kami, dito pa yung father-in-law ko, no? Puno rin kami, malamig. Yan din to, malamig din ang tubig, oh. Pero kung liligo ka, pwede naman. Huwag lang magtagal.
Is it time lapse?
No.
Bro. Get my chips. Sometimes I lick my fingers while eating chips. Hey, give me that.
Kuha tayo dito ng ano, Inday. Dito, oh. Oh no. I want to build the wall. I want to build the wall.
The wall. I'll help.
Okay. Subok. Yung car natin, car.
That's not a car. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna step in the
Gonna miss you, see that. Hindi dumandami na kasi ang ganda ng ano. Hindi. Garbage. Merong garbage? Wala. Oh, let's go. Dami ng tao, oh. Right?
Wow, this is boring.
Ha?
This is boring.
Boring?
That's good. It's going so slow.
Oh, the bullets? Shit, yo, you gotta come further down. Hold on, so Mark.
The wheel's full of sand.
Yeah. No. It's okay. We're on the beach. We're in the beach and then. It's normal.
Huh? That scared me.
Ah, meron pa rito, Inday, oh.
Huh?
Just explore here before we go home. Here.
Okay.
Kaya muna namin invite ang mga pa.
Oh, butterfly.
Oh. So vlogger.
Yeah. Oh, it's like pop pop. What?
Really poison ivy here. Look at the bundok, Inday.
What?
Sino bundok?
What is bundok?
Mountain.
Mountain?
The mountain.
Whoa!
Look at the mountain.
I could jump off that.
Do not climb the bluff.
Oh! Ew. Now there's mud on the wheel.
It's okay. Mud is okay. Wala na rito, Inday.
Yeah.
Beach na yun eh.
Oh, see the water? Mm. What's that green circle thing?
That's poison ivy thing.
What? Poison ivy what?
This one poison ivy. Oh,
Huh? It's not poison. Ano ba yan? We both ducks because we're ducks. Hey. You're joking?
oh, yung berries na naman, Inday. Oh, dami oh.
Okay, don't grab them and eat them.
Ah, laki
Oh,
dito
it's
eh.
a soccer. I want to play here.
Want to play here? Malapit yan to sa atin, Inday.
Oh.
It's close to our ano.
Oh.
This is big ano, Inday, park.
Hi.
Oh my goodness, the ice cream trucks.
Huh? Do you have money? Do you have money? Yes. Do you have credit card? Hi.
Hindi, pupunta mo tayo ano, hindi na tayo mag-ice cream.
Oh, I want
Baka
ice
STC.
cream. I don't like STC ice cream. I like the Oreo dip. It's good.
Maganda rin yung public. Malapit yan to sa house natin eh.